Rwanda is not the Singapore of Africa, but we want to become Singapore of Africa.
Like Singapore, Rwanda remains steadfast in its commitment to building a climate-resilient economy and a more sustainable future.
We have put in place an ambitious plan for the socio-economic transformation of our country, just like Singapore did many decades ago.
Over the last 20 years, Rwanda has emerged from quite literally its ashes after the 1994 genocide against the Tutsi. Our growth has averaged about 7% over the last couple years. And this is through very focused, disciplined, and intentional approach.
Within 6 hours, you can walk into the RDB. At the ground floor, there's a one-stop shop center. We'll do anything that we can to make sure that the investor walks away with confidence in where they're about to put their money.
Rwanda ranks consistently among the top African countries in ease of doing business, with clear incentives for investors, such as no restrictions on foreign ownership, full profit repatriation, no foreign exchange controls, and predictable tax regime.
Our partnership with the government of Rwanda has been truly fantastic. Settling into Kigali is the easiest thing in the world.
Rwanda is my second home. I really would like to applaud Rwanda for its fulfilling journey.
By investing in Rwanda, you are not only investing in our market of 14 million people, but you are also connecting your business to the $3.4 trillion large African market and its 1.3 billion consumers through the African Continental Free Trade Area.
Rwanda has been really good and probably at the forefront in Africa and more globally in creating a foundation and a market.
So this is a country that is open for business, that is open for tourism, that is integrating regionally, and that is stable. So it's the ideal country for investment.
There's a story we knew, there's a story we now know, and there's a story we can build together.